Welcome to the Unified Science Center 1 virtual tour. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Matt.
We are excited to take you down the halls of this 66,000 square foot cutting-edge science facility.
Located on the Galloway property, this 3-story building was the first of 3 in our newly constructed academic quad. The construction of this facility took our science programs out of a 50-year-old teaching structure and moved them into a modern complex with state-of-the-art instrumentation, teaching, and research laboratories. A water molecule structure, affectionately known as Mickey Mouse, just look at it, welcomes visitors to the School of Natural Sciences and Mathematics and serves as a symbol that connects different disciplines of science. In fact, every sculpture inside of the building represents a different aspect of science.
The first floor is home to our biology program. It has a 2-story lobby, which is an awesome place to meet up with friends or just hang out. We have specially designed research laboratories with a spectrometer microplate reader that allows multiple different assays to be processed simultaneously as if more than one experiment is being performed at the same time.
On this floor, you'll also find a controlled environmental space which allows us to grow different specimens with regulated parameters such as temperature and light. As you walk down the main hall to class, you get the unique opportunity to peek real-time into research laboratories. In these labs, you get the chance to see your fellow science peers work alongside of our scientists as they conduct research experiments.
Nestled in the middle, you'll find the office for Stockton University's Environmental Internship program. This is the central hub for our student interns' year-long hands-on learning experience with scientists from the New Jersey Department of Military and Veteran Affairs. Next, you'll find 3 24-seat biology laboratories designed for studies in cell and molecular biology, microbiology, genetics, cancer biology, and neurobiology. Each is designed similarly to allow students to get accustomed to the workspace as they move from one subject area to another.
At the end of the main hall, we have 2 55-seat classrooms which are used for a variety of subjects such as ornithology, mathematics, and biodiversity and evolution lectures. The second and third floors are home to our biochemistry and molecular biology, as well as our chemistry programs. The state-of-the-art labs are set up to emulate real-world working environments.
You'll find many different pieces of instrumentation used by our biology program, like those used for DNA sequencing, amplification, and neurobiology. These specialized instrumentation can read the DNA sequence of a single gene. That's 100,000 letters, like those responsible for inherited genetic diseases such as sickle cell anemia or cystic fibrosis.
The confocal microscope can generate 3D images of brain tissue and view the establishment of neuronal connections during brain development. A special teaching instrument room has a polymerase chain reaction instrument that could be used to detect minute amounts of genetic information, as is done in testing for the COVID-19 virus from a patient sample.
The chemistry program has custom student learning laboratories equipped for advanced classes in analytical chemistry, biochemistry, inorganic and physical chemistry, and instrumentation analysis. Special instrumentation rooms are home to an array of different instruments like those used for chromatography, thermal analysis, and microwave synthesis. These instruments are used in both teaching laboratories and faculty-led student research projects, such as the development of solar energy devices, trace metals analysis, materials characterization, catalysis, and natural product synthesis.
From radio waves to X-rays, students use spectroscopy to learn about molecule structure by studying the interactions of light and matter. The separation and characterization of complex mixtures such as cannabis products and commercial or home-brewed beer are performed on gas or liquid samples. Thermal energy storage and the stability of materials upon heating are studied with differential scanning calorimetry and thermogravimetric analysis.
For subjects like our engineering and math programs, we have 4 55-seat classrooms and 3 24-seat computer laboratories, which allow for hands-on experience that accelerates student learning. Thank you so much for watching our video.
We hope the virtual tour gave you good insight to our science facilities.
If you can make it to campus, sign up for our in-person tours under the admissions webpage at stockton.edu. Hope to see you soon.
Bye.